Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we have an exciting announcement to make. Ford is bringing back the iconic American car-truck hybrid, the Ford Ranchero. But before we dive into the future, let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the fascinating history of this remarkable vehicle. Ford CEO Jim Farney has announced significant developments regarding the beloved Ford Ranchero. The iconic Ranchero, which combines the versatility of a pickup truck with the style of a classic car, is set to make a grand comeback. Alongside this exciting news, Ford has also declared a strategic decision to eliminate dealerships for the full Ranchero. This move signifies a shift in the company's sales and distribution strategy. We will delve into the reasons behind Ford's decision, explore the implications of Ranchero's return, and analyze the potential impact on the automotive industry. The Ford Ranchero holds a unique place in automotive history. Introduced by Ford in 1957, it pioneered the concept of a car-based pickup truck, providing consumers with a vehicle that combined the comfort of a passenger car with the utility of a truck bed. The Ranchero quickly gained popularity, and subsequent generations were released over the years. However, production ceased in 1979, leaving a void in the market for this distinctive vehicle. The decision to revive the Ford Ranchero stems from the CEO's vision to capitalize on the growing demand for versatile vehicles that cater to different consumer needs. With the resurgence of interest in retro and classic designs, Ford aims to tap into nostalgia while infusing modern technology and features into the new Ranchero. By bringing back this iconic model, Ford intends to re-establish its presence in the competitive pickup truck market and appeal to a wider range of customers. In a bold and unexpected move, Ford has chosen to forego the traditional dealership model for the full Ranchero. Instead, the company plans to adopt a direct-to-consumer sales strategy similar to Tesla's approach. This means that customers will be able to order the Ranchero online or through Ford's dedicated Ranchero showrooms. This shift marks a departure from the conventional dealership model and is aimed at streamlining the purchasing process and reducing costs. Ford believes that this direct approach will offer a more personalized and efficient buying experience for customers. Several factors likely contributed to Ford's decision to eliminate dealerships for the full Ranchero. Firstly, the automotive industry has been experiencing a gradual shift towards online sales and direct-to-consumer models. This trend has been accelerated by the pandemic as more consumers have become accustomed to making purchases online. Ford's move aligns with this changing consumer behavior and ensures that the company remains competitive in the evolving automotive landscape. Additionally, eliminating dealerships allows Ford to have more control over the customer experience, ensuring consistent brand representation and reducing potential conflicts between dealerships. By adopting a direct sales model, Ford can establish a closer connection with its customers and gather valuable data to tailor their offerings to specific preferences. This shift also enables Ford to cut costs associated with maintaining a vast network of dealerships and incentivizes direct customer engagement. Ford's decision to bring back the Ranchero and eliminate dealerships carries significant implications for the automotive industry as a whole. Firstly, it highlights the increasing influence of online sales and direct-to-consumer models, challenging the traditional dealership model that has dominated the industry for decades. If successful, Ford's approach could inspire other automakers to rethink their sales strategies and consider similar direct-to-consumer models. The revival of the full Ranchero demonstrates the market's demand for versatile vehicles that blend practicality with style. As consumer preferences continue to evolve, automakers will likely focus on developing vehicles that cater to these changing needs. The Ranchero's return may pave the way for other car-based pickup trucks or unique vehicle concepts that blend multiple automotive segments. Ford aims to capture the essence of the original Ranchero while incorporating advanced technology, enhanced safety features, and improved performance. The new Ranchero is likely to become a symbol of Ford's commitment to innovation and customer centricity. As the automotive industry adapts to changing consumer behaviors,